Hi, Jason Muszala again with Flying Heritage and Combat Armor Museum Maintenance Update. So I'll update you as far as what's gone on in February and what you'll see us doing in March if you come visit the collection here. In February we completed the Sherman tank annual inspection. You see the Sherman right here behind me. One notable fact about the Sherman tank is that it actually has a radial engine, just like a lot of the aircraft, which is different than you see in cars and modern tanks. So that makes it kind of unique, and it makes it a little different annual inspection for the vehicle guys around here. But the Sherman's done. We'll be moving on to a tank that we'll determine later after we get through some small items this week. But you'll see another tank being worked on coming up in March. On the aircraft side of things, February saw us get through the B-25 annual. We've gotten that completed, and we'll be opening up the Zero Fighter and the Hawker Hurricane. And we'll start doing those annuals, hoping to complete them as well. And that's what you can expect to see in March.